What's up, everybody? So I'd like to thank Zirkle Real for this video idea. Basically, he asked how can we have it so that characters will pause whenever there's like a question mark or a period, something along those lines. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. But the gist of it is basically we're gonna have a list of characters, and if it's equal to the current character that's being typed out, then we're gonna just have a short little pause. So let's open up our dialog manager. So we have our dialog manager, and we're going to we'll create it at the top here. But basically, we're going to create a private read-only list of characters, and we'll call it punctuation characters. And it's going to be a new list of characters, and then we're actually going to assign what characters we want to have a little delay to them. So let's start with a period. Let's do some simple stuff like a period. Let's also have a comma. Let's also have an exclamation point. And let's also have a question mark. Alright, so here we have a list of characters, and the reason why we have it read only is because we don't want to alter this in any other script. It's going to always be these characters. And so next we're going to make a quick little function put over here. We're gonna call it, make a private boolean, call it check punctuation. And we're gonna pass in a character. Let's call it character. Actually, let's call it C. And we're gonna say if punctuation characters dot contains C, and we're going to return true, and then we'll say else return false. And now we just need to implement this. And so we're going to put it right here. We're going to say check punctuation. And we're going to pass in C. And so this C refers to the character C right here. You see if I click on it, it highlights. And so this is the current character that's being typed out. And we're going to check if C is one of our punctuation characters, and if it is, then we're going to return true. Oh, I should probably put one sec. So we're going to do if we're going to do that. So basically, if it is one of the characters, then we're going to return true. But if C is not one of the punctuation characters, then we're going to return false. So what happens if we return true? What do we want to do? We're going to, well, we're inside of an IEnumerator, so we have access to wait for seconds. So we're yield return new wait for seconds. And we're going to wait for however long you want. In this example, let's just do 0.25f, but this can be anything you want. It can be like a whole entire second if you want. And so that should be it, and let's see if it works. Also, let me check if our dialogue even has punctuations, and it doesn't. Alright, so I'm gonna say, hey, dot dot dot, how's it going? I said, hi, dot dot dot, I'm gonna say, hi, it's going, or, put a comment here somehow. I'm good, comma, what about you? Alright, and make sure that that's in, and it is, and so, now whenever we play, it's punctuation, you see how there's a little bit of a delay to it? And let's exaggerate that even more so you can like really tell. Let's have it to be a whole second, and this way you can really see the effects of it. Yeah, it's super long, see? And so you can edit this so that it's whatever time you want. I'll just keep it at 0.25f. And you can also add more punctuations you want. Maybe you can remove some. Maybe you only want commas to have a pause or only periods to have a pause. It's whatever you want to do. But that's how you do it. And that's it for this video. This episode is brought to you by Bay. Thanks for sponsoring this video. Use my Patreon. If you want to be a Patreon, there's a link in the description below. And after every episode, you'll get a shout out just like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next video.